Gluestream presents equipment for the production of kitchen sponges made of abrasive fiber and polyurethane foam. This production line is based on PUR hot melt adhesive application technology. The use of this technology allows manufacturers to eliminate conventional solvent-based adhesives and significantly reduce emissions into the environment. As a result, the production process becomes more environmentally friendly and safer for employees and environment. During the development of this line, our goal was to make the process as simple, user-friendly, and efficient as possible. The line requires only 2 operators. The first operator feeds the abrasive fiber, a special non-woven abrasive material used in kitchen sponges. The second operator combines the polyurethane foam with the abrasive fiber after the adhesive has been applied. Rolled materials can also be used in this production process. During operation, the PUR hot melt adhesive is applied onto the abrasive fiber, which is then fed under an inclined pressure roller assembly. The operator then combines the 2 materials, the abrasive fiber and the polyurethane foam. After lamination, the material passes through the pressing section where the bonding process takes place. No additional long-term pressing is required. However, if necessary, short-term post-pressing may be applied until the adhesive cools down, ensuring consistently high bonding quality. This project was implemented in cooperation with the Swiss company Robotech, which supplied the adhesive melting unit and adhesive application heads. All other parts of the equipment were developed by the engineers of Gluestream. Our company fully developed the production technology, machine design, and software for this manufacturing process. Contact Gluestream, and we will develop a production solution fully tailored to your requirements and expectations.